In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a font on Windows 11. First, let's start by opening your Downloads folder. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar. This action will display all the files you have recently downloaded. It is important to find the font file you want to install, as it is usually located in this folder. Once you have the folder open, you will see a list of files. Look for the font archive you downloaded. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, right-click the downloaded font archive and select Extract All. This option will appear in a context menu after you click the right mouse button. Choosing this will allow Windows to unpack the files contained within the archive. It's essential to extract these files because the font is often compressed in a zip format. By extracting, you ensure that you have access to the actual font files needed for installation. After you select Extract All, a new window will pop up, guiding you through the extraction process. Now click Extract. This action will initiate the extraction process and open a new folder containing the actual font files, which are typically in .taf or .eaf formats. These are the file types recognized by Windows for font installation. Once the extraction is complete, you will see the new folder filled with your font files. This is an important step because without extracting the files, you would not be able to proceed with the installation. After that, right-click on the unzipped font file. This step is important as it allows you to access the menu options necessary for the installation process. When you right-click the font file, a menu will appear showing various options. Make sure you select the correct file, as sometimes the folder may contain multiple fonts. This ensures you are installing the exact font you want. After you right-click, you'll be ready for the next step. Next, click Install to add it to your personal profile. This action will begin the installation process, and within moments, the font will be integrated into your system. You may see a brief notification indicating that the font has been successfully added. This step is vital because it ensures that the font will be available for use in your applications such as word processors or graphic design software. Once you click Install, rest assured that your new font is being set up for use. By following these steps, you have successfully installed a new font on Windows 11. Now, you can open any software that uses fonts like Microsoft Word or Adobe Illustrator and start using your newly installed font. It's a straightforward process, but each step is essential for ensuring everything goes smoothly. Remember, having a variety of fonts can enhance your projects and make them visually appealing. Thank you for following along and happy designing.